Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SimpliSafe entry sensors, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your SimpliSafe entry sensors. Locate the two components, the sensor and the magnet. Identify the door or window where you want to install the sensor. Determine the ideal placement for the sensor on the door or window frame. The sensor should be mounted on the frame. The magnet should be mounted on the door or window itself. Make sure the sensor and magnet align closely when the door or window is closed. Clean the surface where you'll install the sensor. Peel off the adhesive backing from the sensor. Press the sensor firmly onto the clean surface. Next, peel off the adhesive backing from the magnet. Attach the magnet to the door or window. Ensure that the magnet aligns with the sensor when closed. Test the installation by opening and closing the door or window. Check for the notification on your SimpliSafe app. If the app shows a triggered alarm, your sensor is installed correctly. Repeat the process for any additional entry points. Once finished, review the placement and functionality. You're now ready to enjoy the security of your SimpliSafe entry sensors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.